Hello everyone, hope you're all doing well so far today. I'm going to make a miso glazed eggplant stuffed with chorizo sausage, vegan obviously, and hope you all will enjoy. Okay, so we're gonna start by just kind of soaking these eggplants with a little bit of salt. So you want nice, round, evenly sliced pieces. That little guy doesn't want to get out of the way. So I'm going to salt them first and get the liquid out. And then we will fry them up. Well, we'll coat them and toast them in the oven. Let's put some salt on these. Actually, let's do them both. Don't know if this one's as happy as the other one yet. Gonna cut off some of the brown pieces. Perfect. Yep, if it's looking too brown, just bye-bye. All right. So, yeah. We're just gonna let this sit. This is a really fast recipe. It's one that comes together very quickly. Okay, we're gonna make the glaze. We're gonna take a good teaspoon of miso. I have the yellow miso here. Some soy sauce. Sorry, white miso. And because it's me, a teaspoon of red pepper. I like that sweet and spicy taste. About a tablespoon of maple syrup. Just a little bit of vinegar. Just to balance out the sweet and the spice. We're gonna mix this together. We're going to put a little bit of toasted sesame oil. 2 or 3 teaspoons. Nice. Okay, while we are waiting for the eggplant to kind of release all of its juiciness and so that I can fry it up, we're going to cook our polenta. So I'm just taking 1 cup of polenta and 2 cups of water. I want to make sure that it is nicely cooked. A little bit of salt, pepper, and nutritional yeast. So 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper, and about 1/4 cup of nutritional yeast. Go ahead and stir this up. We're going to let this cook down. So if you can't find polenta, grits will do the same thing. And you can cook them as thick or as creamy as you like. Okay, once this is done, we're just gonna let it hang out for a little bit. So I'm letting it get pretty thick. And you can reduce the heat and let it get thicker, or you can just turn it off. Okay, you can see here these guys are getting a little bit sweaty. And so I'm just going to rinse them off and wipe them off so that they're completely dry. Okay, so I have rinsed off all of the salt, and now I'm going to wipe all of these down, get all of the moisture out. We don't want any of the moisture in here because that will prevent the eggplant from getting nice and crispy, which is not what we want. I'm gonna just slice and dice these very shallow cuts. I just want the marinade to kind of soak in so that the eggplants are flavored. Just a couple of cuts on each one. And then we're going to brush these with a little bit of the miso. And by brush, I mean spoon. Yum. Let's flip these over. This also helps the breadcrumbs stick. All right, we are going to then bread these. This helps the bread stick. All right, we're going to take each one of these, dip them in the breadcrumbs. Before I put them in the oven, I am going to spray them with olive oil. Just to give that little extra crunch. You can pan fry these as well if you like. This works just as well. They get nice and golden and you get a whole lot done at the same time. But if you're just two people and maybe don't want to do this many, if you don't want to turn on the oven because it can use a lot of energy and you just want to use the frying pan, pan fry these. All right, so for the final step, I'm going to heat up some vegan chorizo. You can use whatever brand you like. I am using Abbott's because I like it. I am not paid by them. And I'll show you how the whole thing comes together. So we have the polenta ready, the eggplants ready, and we have the sausage already prepared. You can use your favorite vegan sausage. You can also just use tofu crumbles that have been air fried and they come out amazing. So really we're just trying to add a little bit of protein and a little bit of chew to the whole meal. So we're going to start with the polenta underneath. Let's let the cheddar melt on top of the chorizo. I'm going to cover it up a little bit so it can melt. We'll add a lid. Let the cheese melt. You can also do this in the broiler if you have one. All right, we will place the eggplant. And then we're going to put the vegan chorizo and cheddar, all melty and yummy. Let me get the proper utensil here. My absolute favorite thing in the world right now, my pumpkin seeds and sesame blend. So this just adds crunch and yumminess to everything. All right, here we are, a delicious meal. This is just perfect for after a long day in the garden. So delicious.